Hey, it's Chris from Fire Systems. Today we're going to talk about the VZ61, the Skorpion, whatever you want to call it. It's cool. All right, these kits have been around for a long time. Nothing real unique here, but they're really fun, a really fun build, a simple build. There's plenty of receivers and pieces and parts out there for these. Really cool. So we'll talk about some history of the weapon real quick. So this went into production in 1961, thus the VZ61 name. They were made all the way through the 70s and 80s. And in the 60s, there were 3 variants. In the 90s, there were some more variants, but I'm not going to really go into those. There were a lot, and they kind of stopped kind of looking like this. But in the 60s, you had the VZ64, which was this firearm basically in .380. You had the VZ65, which was 9x18 Makarov, and then you had the VZ68, which was a 9mm Parabellum, which I think that would have made this a very different firearm to shoot in 9mm. And of course, this version is the original. It's the 32 ACP, or 7.65 by 17 Browning if you're European. This firearm had a pretty significant rate of fire. It actually, and made into it, you have these 2 components that are in the grip, and that's actually an internal rate reducer. Without some sort of rate reducer, this thing's firing at 1,000 rounds per minute, and with the rate reducer, it gets it down to 850. When you consider that these firearms came basically with 2 magazine sizes, which was a 10 and a 20, and you think about that rate of fire, it doesn't take long to empty a magazine on one of these. All right, so there's 2 versions of this kit, one with a barrel, one without a barrel. The barrel that is in this kit, the finish matches pretty well to the rest of the components. Not all the kits that I looked at, the barrel didn't always match. Sometimes there was a variation in the finish on the barrel. So, most of them that I've seen, it's pretty much like this one, but not all of them are. As you can see, there's not much here. It's not a very, very big firearm. So they achieved that by having a telescopic bolt assembly that wrapped around a good portion of the barrel. So you kind of got a lot of stuff in a small space. The receivers, this kit has 4 portions of the receiver in there. So you can see that's basically the dimension of the receiver. Just not a very big firearm. And these fired from a closed bolt. They're blowback, so you don't have a gas system to worry about or anything like that. They had a relatively light bolt, which is another reason why you had to have the rate reducing system in there to slow it down, because the bolt was so light in relative terms. They were select fire, so you had a couple of firing options. So this is not a very big firearm. It's real compact. It fires at a really high rate of speed, which makes it really a good firearm for special forces units, for special police, for small patrols, and as a sidearm. They were used as a sidearm a lot. There's holsters. This kit doesn't have the holster, but there are holsters out there where you could easily wear this on your side in a holster. Well, there it is, VZ61 Skorpion. Really cool kit, really fun build. There's lots of receivers and stuff out there in the world, so there's no shortage of getting the components to complete one of these builds. Really, really cool. Well, as always, we appreciate you watching the video. If you got any ideas for a video that you'd like to see in the future, let us know. We'll see if we can knock it out for you. Thank you.